In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for event registration, your full guide for 2025. Whether you're organizing a tech summit, a community workshop, or any other type of event, Microsoft Forms is a fantastic tool to streamline the registration process. Let's get started. First, navigate to forms.office.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Microsoft account. This could be a work, school, or personal account, whatever you have handy. After logging in, go ahead and click on New Form. It's time to name your form. You might call it something like Tech Summit 2025 Registration, and then add a short description outlining the event details. Make sure to include important information like the event date, time, location, or a link if it's a virtual event. This gives potential attendees all the context they need right up front. Next, let's add some registration questions. Click on Add New and start forming your questions. Begin with essential details like name and email address. Mark them as required fields, and for the email question, use restrictions to ensure the answers are in a proper email format. Adding a phone number can be optional or required depending on your needs. You'll also want to include a question about attendance type to see if they will join in person, virtually, or if they are open to both. For events with multiple sessions, consider adding session preferences using either a choice or ranking format. Don't forget to include a space for special requirements, where attendees can note dietary needs or accessibility requests. Lastly, a consent checkbox is key, with wording such as I agree to receive event updates. Remember, keeping your form simple encourages more people to register, so don't go overboard with the number of questions. Once your questions are set, it's time to customize your form. Click on Theme to add your branding, logos, or event colors for a professional touch. If your event includes multiple parts, using sections or pages can create a more organized flow. For example, start with general info, move to session selection, and wrap up with confirmation. Images or videos can enhance your form by offering visuals like event posters or promo clips, which can make it more engaging. With your form customized, let's configure the settings by clicking on More Options followed by Settings. Decide who can respond. Is it open to anyone with the link or just people within your organization? Set registration start and end dates, limit the form to one response per person, and enable email receipts for respondents. You can also activate Get Email notification of each response if you want instant updates for each new registration. Finally, share your registration form, hit Share, and choose your distribution method. Copy the link to embed in emails or newsletters, generate a QR code for posters or presentation slides, or use the embed code to place it on your website. You can also directly send it through Microsoft 365 apps like Outlook or Teams. Once registrations start coming in, managing them is straightforward. Head to the Responses tab to see real-time graphs on attendee preferences and more. For a detailed overview, click Open in Excel to download the data. Within Excel, you can filter or sort to keep track of confirmed participants easily. And there you have it. With Microsoft Forms, event registration can be transformed into a seamless process that saves you time and simplifies your workload. Thanks for watching, and happy event planning.